Hello everyone and welcome to section 6, Design Pitfalls to Avoid. In this video we're going to focus on using pie charts wisely. Okay, let's start by taking a look at a pie chart filled with terrible mistakes. Now, we're gonna take this pie chart, go into Tableau, start talking about what the problems are, how we can solve them, and finally figure out if there's another way to show the same data but in a more effective way. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into Tableau and start working on the problems. Okay, here we are. I'm using the sample EU store dataset, and what I'm showing here is the sales of subcategories in Austria in 2018. Okay, first things first. The segments in the pie chart are not sorted. What I need to do is to go to subcategory, go to sort by field, and the field which I'm gonna sort on is sales, and I'm gonna put it on descending. Perfect. A rule of thumb, always put the largest segment in your pie chart at 12 o'clock on the right. That would emphasize its importance. It would make it a lot easier for the viewer to understand what is the biggest segment, and it would be quite helpful. Perfect. Now that we've done that, we need to change the colors. There are too many colors here. Let's go to color, double click, and come here. Let's say we want to emphasize storage or copier. Doesn't matter. We want to emphasize a segment here. What I need to do is to make all these other segments the same color. Go to gray and put it on light gray, and then put copier on dark gray. Great. Now, next step is to add border lines to the segments. Go to color and add border. Make a white border. Perfect. So now here we are. We have a pie chart that is actually saying something. It's giving us some information, which is easy to understand and easy to read. Well, we can even take it a step further. The problem with this pie chart is that there are too many segments. Although we are easily seeing the part-to-whole relationship of different segments, it is still very hard to compare, for instance, appliances to supplies by just looking at it. So what we need to do is to actually make this pie chart into a bar chart. Just to show you very quickly what difference it would make, I'm gonna put subcategory on columns and then sales on rows, and then make this a bar. So this is a different view of the same data. Now you can easily compare, for instance, paper to appliances by just looking at the data. So you have a decision to make over there, but overall, always put the largest segment at 12 o'clock on the right. Try to limit the colors. Always, if you want to emphasize a segment on your pie chart, you can use a darker shade to do that. At the end, if there are too many segments, try to use alternatives such as a bar chart. Perfect.